Desk Repair Group coming to you with another tutorial today. We're going to be shucking a Easystore WD hard drive. We're going to turn external into internal. So the first four things you're going to need is cards. You can use a credit card, debit card, guitar picks to get in between the plastic wedges. So all you really have to do is on the back side of it, there's going to be two clips around right here and right here. You want to wedge in the cards into these clips and leave them there. The first one's usually the toughest to get in because the clip isn't up. Just gotta feel it out. There you go. And then you'll fill the clip on the right side. And then you come over here. You can start running it from the case that's being wedged up already a little bit. You come over here and you fill for the second clip, which is right there. And then you're going to repeat the same process for the bottom. Clips right there. And another clip is right there. So when you have all four of them, it should be in these similar areas. You can feel them. It's pretty straightforward. Now for the second part of getting the case off, you're going to flip it over, leave the cards in, and you're going to want to take a jimmy or a knife and push this part out, the clip, like that. And then you want to go to the opposite side down here and do the same thing. And then it should just start sliding out. The card should fall out. It's fine. Now it just slides out like that. And I believe you should be able just to, you can just push this up to take the hard drive out. Ooh, they actually gave me a WD black, I believe. And you can pull this up, this out like this. Now, take these off on the side. So you're going to take these four things off on the side. These off. Okay. Now this little white bracket right here is just for the LED on the hard drive. So you can just pull this off, I believe. Just double check. Yep. That comes unclipped. For the final steps of taking this hard drive apart, you are going to need, I believe this is a, let me see. This is a T10. Just to take the screws off on the side. They're here, 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 and here. Okay, now that those are off, all you need to do is take off the PC board, the PC board. And that is just going to be a Phillips head. So you unscrew the screw right here on it. And then you can just disconnect it from the SATA connector. And then voila, you have a external turned into an internal and you saved yourself some money.